Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to clear the cache on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to clear the cache. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this called as More right next to My. Click on it, and as you guys do that, you will be redirected to the More section. And guys, this is it. From here, all you guys need to do is click on Settings, click on it, and guys, this is it. And guys, from here, simply scroll down till you see the cache option. Right here on the Options tab, you can see the Clear Cache button. Click on it, and that's it guys. As soon as you click on it, your cache for Webtoon will have been cleared. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.